You want to learn about TDS today and about water-fed pole and how important TDS is? What do we need our numbers to be on TDS? Everything like that. Stay tuned because this video I'm going to talk to you all about TDS meter, how to read it, what do we need for water-fed pole, where do we need to be at so we get clean windows, where do we need to be at so we don't get dirty windows. TDS, and this is what it all is about. So our TDS is measuring what our DI tank is actually cleaning right here. So in that, water comes in, water goes out, and that is through a silicone bag of resin right here. And this is what makes our TDS clean. So first thing I'm going to do is this is the water actually coming into this system right here. So I'm going to just get a little capful right here. I'm going to bring it up here. We're going to turn this on right here. Turn it on. We're at 0, right? We're going to put it in there. You can see our TDS is 129, 129. That's going to leave spots all over our window. We don't want that. We want nice clean water. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my water fed pole on there. I'm going to let some water come out of it there because that's coming out of my filter. I'm going to shut that off. I'm going to fill up my cap there. Now, this has went through our filter, and this is what our TDS is now. I'm going to pull it up there like so, and we are at 5. That is where we want to be at. We don't want to be higher than, we don't want to be higher than, we really don't want to be higher than 10 TDS. And this all comes from our resin right here and all that kind of stuff. So if we get above 10, we won't be able to clean very well. It'll leave spots on our windows, and we're going to get callbacks. And the last thing we want is callbacks. So to make sure that we don't get callbacks, we're going to want to make sure we check our water before we start doing that. Now, this is a cylinder that has that resin in it. So the important thing is don't just let this hose, pull it out there, turn it on, and let this hose just run, because this is only going to clean out so much. And if we allow it to run and just run, it will get this thing, and then our TDS is going to go up, and now we're going to have spots. So on here, I actually have a shut-off valve. That shut-off valve, when I'm up on the house, I can turn this off like so, and that way my water isn't flowing out. And you'll see right here, let me turn me on there. As soon as that, I did turn the right one on, right? All right, so we're getting pressure. You can see right here, I'm gonna turn this on right here, turn that on, and we got good pressure. So I can shut that down just a little bit. I don't need that much pressure, and we can just see that right there. So obviously we don't want to just turn this on and leave this on. When we're sitting there, we're gonna turn that off so we're not wasting our TDS coming out of our system here. So that is why we want to make sure that we shut that off. I'm actually got some leaks going on here, but leaks are better than having water just shooting everywhere. So TDS is very important. TDS is what makes sure our windows are clean. If we get, like I say before, if I get up to 15, you're probably not going to have callbacks. But if I get over 15, you will have callbacks. So try to keep it under 10, and you'll be in a good shape there. And in that way, you won't have to worry about callbacks, because nobody wants callbacks. When people are getting their windows, this is a great upsell. This right here, we can upsell a house of that size right there for $150. The house across the street, I don't know if you can see it in film, but that house right there, we can do it for $150, $200. And it's going to take us 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes to do the whole house. So what, you want to make $200 in 45 minutes? Who doesn't? You'd be stupid if you don't, right? So that's a great way to get our average ticket up higher and be able to make more money per job. And this way we can make that whatever you desire to make. So again, go check out this video right here, and I'll show you how to do water-fed pole and how to clean exterior windows. See you in my next video.